Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Max 3 and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first let's launch the phone application and then tap on the right upper corner on the three dots, then select the settings and tap to blocked accounts, blocked numbers, Now you can see here two black numbers in our blacklist. Just to remove one from these numbers, you should click here on the 6 icon and tap here to unblock. Now we can see that this number unblocked successfully, and just to remove the second number from the blacklist by the same way, click on the 6 icon and tap to unblock. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.